Hello, this is how you make a volcano and how it erupts. Erupts means explode. If you... There's some people at Arabia, so that's why I've been translating.
Okay, put the
Over there?
Yeah. In the hole.
Oh, no.
In the hole. Yeah.
Yeah, exploded!
We need a bit more. We need a bit of more.
Wait till finish this.
Oh my god, there's a leg.
Nice colour, yeah, is it?
Yeah.
Has to make with Aya.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's good for the children. Do you like it?
Yeah. I'll do it in nursery as well.
Volcano. Activity. Activating.
Ooh, let's have more in when it's finished. Oh, it smells vinegar. I hate the smell of vinegar.
Wash your hands up.
Oh my god.
Finished?
Yeah.
We need to add more.
We need more.
Add more.
So it goes that
Add
way.
more.
Oh, bubbles.
It's coming again. Volcano. Real volcano. It's called
No, it needs Mama
Sarah's
some here.
volcano.
Hey, Mama, I need some
In
here.
the
as
nursery,
well.
don't be like that.